Cześć! I hope you are doing wonderful. Today I would like to share with you a few ideas for a beautiful table decor that you can create yourself. I use my pomegranate collection that I showed you before. Pomegranate is a symbol of prosperity, new life and abundance. It is often featured in the traditional Polish artwork, and it's the inspiration for my own art. I would like to show you that a few simple changes in your decor can give you a completely different look for a different occasion. Other than that, I have some exciting news. I am organizing a contest for a dream table. Create the most beautiful and unique tablescape that you can think of and send me your picture. You can win the prize worth over 200 euros. For more details, be sure to visit annavictoriahome.com. I believe that everyone can be an artist, and setting the table is an art form that brings people closer together. That's why I encourage you to give it a try and show us and yourself what beautiful things you are capable of doing. You have time until the end of September. Now let's get back to the table. Years of work that I put into my garden are finally paying off. June is absolutely the best month as it comes to the plants. I am so happy that I can finally create bouquets from the plants that I grow myself. The smell of roses and peonies is blowing me away, and I feel wonderful just looking at them. Hours spent weeding and planting are repaying me now, and I could just stare at the garden all day. Shades of pink and purple give a romantic vibe. Bees are buzzing all around me. This is the moment I was waiting for. These red roses were a gift from my husband. Small spread roses are a great filler. After I gathered all the flowers, I started creating a bouquet. For this table, I decided to create a layered bouquet. I wanted to incorporate pomegranate as the crowning. I filled up the containers with water. The bottom layer was the peony leaves. In my garden, I have peonies that don't bloom, but the leaves are beautiful. In my main container, I placed the biggest peonies first. I absolutely love them. They are full and fill up the container quickly. Pastel pinks are so adorable. I always play around with the placement of the flowers. In between them, I placed spray roses Angela with hot pink blossoms that I showed you in my last video. If you haven't seen that, please check it out to see the 8 best plants for your garden. It's time for these adorable open peonies. If you want your bouquet to be pleasing to the eye, work in trees. Trees are more memorable and give a balanced look. Slowly, I filled up my bouquet with more flowers. Of course, I used alchemilla mollies that give energy to every bouquet and is an excellent filler. At the end, I added salvia nemorosa in this deep purple shade that adds height to the bouquet. As you can see, I am very happy with the result. The peonies look stunning and the alchemilla mollies only emphasize their beauty. I think it's the great alternative to the classic bouquet, and using fruits add interest to the flower arrangement. I styled the table with more pomegranates, lanterns and candlesticks. In my styling, I emphasized the color blue. I used bamboo cutlery that fits well with the natural motif, and added the cocktail napkins and glasses. At the end, I folded my pomegranate napkins in the triangle fold and placed them on the plates. You can check out more folding techniques on my blog in the 8 simple ways to fold a napkin guide. I think the table looks beautiful and I am very happy with the result. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this look. I am very curious to know what you think. Now I will show you how you can change a few details to get a different look. I will swap out the napkins and plates. Change the candles. This time I choose yellow for a brighter look. And added pomegranate napkins with slightly different design and folded them in a rectangle fold. Now I will show you third look for a tea party after the dinner. I switched out my glasses for teacups and added dessert plates. I made a second bouquet for my mom's name day. As always, I created a structure in my container. I do this only with containers with a large opening, and this is great for holding your flowers in place. I started arranging with the peony leaves that create a nice background. Next, I added widespread roses and in between them peonies, lupine and more roses. I removed the leaves from the flower stems as always. I tried the rolling technique on the roses and this time it worked. The rose opened up a little bit. I removed the outside petals because they were damaged from the rain. More peonies and the rose that my husband gave me in the middle. It's almost done. I filled up the gaps and added alchemilla mollies and cut mints for height. My mom loved the bouquet. It's great if you prefer lower flower arrangements for your table. This look is red to emphasize the red rose. I even added bows for a more festive look. I added pomegranate tea napkins and folded them with a double triangle fold. And that's the complete look. It's time for the last look that I wanted to show you. I changed the plates for a more classic blue and white look. Swap out the teacups. This time I used my favorite Royal Copenhagen set of china. And changed candles for the green ones. Tea napkins folded with the triangle fold and placed them on the plates. And that's the finished look. Let me know in the comments which look do you like best. Comment 1, 2, 3 or 4. Meanwhile, I made 2 small bouquets for my dresser. I love to have so many flowers to bring home. They give me so much joy when I look at them. To make the bouquets, I started with Alchemilla mollis, added sprayed roses and other flowers that I have left over until my glasses filled up. The smell was amazing and arranging these flowers was a pleasure in itself. And that's how they came out. I think the colors play great together. I hope this video was helpful for you and give you the ideas on how to decorate your tables. I want to encourage you to set the table more often. It will give you and your family a lot of joy. Don't forget to visit my site annavictoriahome.com to check out the contest and share with us your beautiful table creation. At the end, I wanted to show you how beautiful my first flower arrangement looks on the pomegranate circle tablecloth. It can be custom made especially for you. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you very soon. Do zobaczenia, bye!